Hello, kinder parents. My name is Miss Bettis, and I am the Reading Language Arts Instructional Specialist here at Stovall. This year, your child will receive language instruction through CKLA. Each unit will build their reading and writing skills through phonics and print. Unit 1 focused on laying foundational skills that your child will use this entire school year. In phonological awareness, our students learned how to count the words in a sentence. Students have practiced counting words in a sentence using their fingers, using cubes, and using their whole bodies. Here's an example of what you can do at home. Using your fingers, all you have to do is say a 4 to 5 word sentence. For example, we sit in chairs. Now let's count it out. We sit in chairs. 4 words are in that sentence. Practice with your child. If you move on beyond fingers, you can use their whole bodies and have them step forward as you say each word. For example, birds fly in the sky. Your child should have taken 5 steps forward. When they used cubes, it was helping them use an object for each word. If you don't have cubes at home, you can use beans, you can use stickers, or anything else that you have on hand. Just counting out each word in the sentence. So back to our first sentence. We, 1 sticker, sit, 2 stickers, in, 3 stickers, chairs, 4 stickers. Now remember, this is just auditory. Our students are just listening. They are not yet reading those words. They are simply counting the words in the sentence and listening for each individual word. In writing, our students learned how to hold their crayons using a tripod grip. That means using these 3 fingers. They also started working on writing strokes such as horizontal lines, vertical lines, circles, spirals, and more. This will help prepare our students to learn how to write letters. At home, you can help your child practice that tripod grip. If they're having difficulty, one tip and trick that you can use is to get a piece of tissue paper or cotton ball or anything that they can hold with these 2 fingers to leave only these fingers for them to use. Have them practice making these writing strokes. Our vertical lines, our horizontal lines, diagonal lines, circles, my paper moved, and spirals. Again, this is preparing our students for when they are ready to start writing their letters. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you throughout this entire school year. Have a great day.